How do you teach kids the proper way to handle a firearm? We're going to show you. Stick around. Hi, I'm Scott.
And I'm Natalie.
And we're Daddy-Daughter Disaster Preparedness. This video might be controversial to some, but being a firearm owner, I feel it's very important that my children should know the safety and proper use of a firearm. So Natalie just turned 13. I taught her how to respect and handle a firearm properly about, 6 months ago? A year ago, actually. So we didn't start off with a real firearm. The best way I felt to teach her how to handle a firearm and the respect and proper techniques of it is with what?
A BB gun.
Yeah, a pellet gun. All right, guys, so Natalie's gonna walk you through what she's learned on how to be safe with a firearm. All right, Natalie, start from the beginning.
So when you first pick up a gun or a BB gun like this, you want to always just assume that it's loaded, even if you don't think it is, but just always think that it's loaded, even if you know for sure it's not loaded. You also never want to point this at anything except for the ground, and you don't want to point it up at something that you don't want to do harm to, but you can obviously do it, point it at your target. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that it's not loaded. So there should be a little button. So here's our button at the side of the pellet gun or whatever this is called, BB gun. And you press it and then the magazine will fall out. And that's where you check. Oh, that's where you check if you have the pellets for the BB gun or the bullets. Okay, so there's also a safety lever, whatever it's called, on here. So if it's like this, like how it is, that means that it's locked, but if it's down like that, that means that you can pull this back. So what you do is you pull, I haven't done this in a long time, you pull this back, and then once this is down, that means that it's ready to shoot. But then once you pull it back, you could check inside of here to see if there's any bullets, and if there's none, you just keep going like this, and then the bullets will fall out. So now we determine that the gun is empty. So if you want to load it, for this all you have to do is just put in the pellets, and then you take your magazine with your palm and you put it in the bottom of the gun, and you just push it in with your palm. So the proper way to hold a gun or a BB gun, whatever your dominant hand is the first one that you're gonna put on the gun or BB gun. So you take your thumb and your pointer finger and you just put it between the web of the gun, right here where the lever is, to check if it's cocked back or not. And then you put your pointer finger above the area of the trigger. You never want it on the trigger, because if you have it on the trigger and you flinch or something happens and you pull it, you could shoot something that you don't want to. So just always have it off until you're ready to shoot. And then for this one, you just wrap it around your 4 fingers. Your thumb should look like this, and then that's how it should look like. So when you're walking, don't point it up at stuff. You always want to point it down and walk with it, or just go yeah. So that's how you hold it. We're going to test this out on our target that we have here. Okay, so when you have a BB gun or a real gun, especially a real gun, you should consider wearing these for both, and for a regular gun, wear ear protection so that it doesn't make you go deaf, because it's really, really loud. So you want to always make sure you also have ear protection on for a regular gun, not for the pellet gun that we have, because it's plastic and it doesn't make loud noises. But for a real gun, they usually make a loud sound, so you want to wear ear protection for those. And yeah, and these glasses too, which I don't like at all. You have to wear them, especially for a a regular gun. But this one not so much, but you still have to wear them. So I already have my gun and I'm holding it like I said. And so the way you want to stand, I do my non-dominant foot. I don't know why, it's just more comfortable for me. But you can do any foot that's more comfortable. So you stand one foot out and one foot in the back. And then you have to like, is it lean forward? Yeah, you lean a little bit forward, but not too forward like this. Cause yeah, you don't want to stand like that, but just a little bit forward. And then you bring it close to you, not close, but like your arms have to be like this, not like this. So they have to be straight. And you lean forward. And right here, these are the sights. And this sight goes through this one. So once they are lined up, then that's how you know like where you're gonna aim and where the bullet or pellet is gonna go. Okay. Ooh, not too shabby. So that's where the first one went. Oh yeah, also another thing is when you're pulling the trigger, you want to make sure that you're doing it slowly. So like when your fingers on the trigger, you have to go very, very slow. Not like fast right away, or else you'll jerk back and yeah, won't shoot where you want it to. I'm gonna shoot for the head. Oh my god! Oh my god.
I taught you well.
Okay, my hands are sweating. Okay, let's go for number 8 on the top. Oh yeah, you also want to have one eye closed so that you can look at that. Okay. I'm so good. I got right where I wanted to. Okay. You pick a spot.
The X again.
Okay. Oh, close.
So there you go. There's Natalie doing her good shooting. She learned the basics of it and knows the safety of firearms. She walked us through what she learned and she did a good job.
Okay, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell down below so you're notified every time we make new videos. This isn't real, obviously. So you pick up the gun and yeah, okay. And then you want to make sure there's not one in the chamber. Technical difficulties. Okay, so what you do is you... Okay.
So now we're going to test this bad boy out.
Okay, that was weird. But to wear these ugly glasses. Not loading. What is that?
You learn well, Grasshopper.
Don't put that in the video.
It's a good way to get them familiar with how a firearm operates and the safety of one. I've never seen that one.
That was fun.
What do you think?